So we can enter into the short trade below this red candle. So the price is at 17,862 and we got the target also. Market gave down move till the low of this candle is 17,816. We got 30 plus point in this trade. So as a scalping, our aim should not be like 20 plus points. Hello everyone, this is Chitra here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to give out an effective scalping strategy that is particularly for Nifty and BankNifty. What is scalping? Scalping is a day trading strategy where an investor buys and sells in individual stocks multiple times throughout the same day. As we all know, scalping involves quick entry and quick exit and we will make the profit very fast. So in the time frame we are going to use for this particular strategy is 1 minute time frame. The candlestick is normal candlestick pattern and only one indicator we are going to use, that is the RSI, Relative Strength Index. The RSI, the upper band should be 70 or greater than 70 and the lower band is 30 or below 30. So this is the trading setup for the scalping. At resistance, this is the resistance level and the indicator we used is only the RSI. The upper band is 70 and the lower band is 30. So if the upper band is at 70 and at resistance level, if we get any red candle, one can enter into the short trade. Stop loss is high of the red candle. Same for long trade. If the RSI is at 30 or below 30 and if the price is at the support level and if we get any green candle, one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Stop loss is low of the green candle. I will explain this in the chart. Now we will quickly look into the trades. How can we enter into the trade and how can we exit? The conditions for the strategy is 1 minute time frame and we have to use only the strategy in Nifty and in BankNifty. So go to indicators, add the relative strength index RSI. Now go to the settings. Here the upper band and the lower band we have to change. The default setting is 70 and 30, so we don't want to change anything here. I am making this line little thick. And lower band is 30. The RSI is purple in color. I am making this also little thick. So we have to go to the RSI. We don't want to change anything in the input section. Go to the style and we have to make the changes in the settings. If the settings default is 70 and 30, we don't want to change anything. Next is click on OK. This is Nifty 1 minute time frame chart. RSI upper band at 70, lower band at 30. Here the price is in uptrend, right? Also, this is the major resistance level. So when you enter into the trade, when you are entering into the trade, we have to look for the resistance and support zone. So when you are buying, the price should be at support and RSI should be below 30. And when you are selling, the price should be at resistance and RSI should be 70 or above 70. So when you see here, the price touched the resistance. And we can see the red candle here and here also. The first we got the rejection here. RSI is at 70. Okay. So one can enter into the short trade below this red candle. The stop loss is high of the red candle. So once you enter into the trade, this is the stop loss. This high is a stop loss. After that, as you are doing scalping trade, you have to book your profits very fast. In option chart, if you are entering at 130, the profit, the target should be 134. 3 to 4 points you have to book fast and you have to exit the trade. You should not wait for the stop loss because in this case, your stop loss won't hit as you are doing scalping. Here we got one more trade. So this is the entry. This is the entry. Entry is here. Stop loss is high of the red candle. Now we can see how can we enter into the long trade. That is RSI should be at 30 or less than 30 and price should be at the support level. So here when you see the price is in the downtrend. Okay, and price reached at the support zone. When you see here we have the major support zone. Okay, so I am marking that level. here. Here we can see there is a support zone here. Okay. So once price touched the support zone, we got a reversal. And what is this candle called? This is a dragonfly doji. Dragonfly doji is a sign of bullishness. So I have put a video regarding doji candle, how to enter into the trade when we are getting the doji candle. So one can enter into the long trade above this, and this is a 1 minute time frame chart. So above this doji candle we can enter into the long trade. And when we look into the RSI, RSI is at 30. So we got two confirmations. At support we got the doji candle. Also we got the RSI is at 30. So RSI is at 30 or less than 30 means we can look for long trade. So above this is the entry to enter into the long trade. So as we are doing scalping, you have to enter and exit fast. So above this we can enter, and the stop loss is low of this candle. So here is the entry. So above this level, above this doji candle's high, if the high of this candle is broken, one can enter into the long trade. So entry. And what is the stop loss? Stop loss is the low of this candle. So here is the stop loss. Okay, it's clear, right? So this is how you have to enter into the scalping trade. That is, the entry and exit should be very fast. We can see how can we enter into the long and short trade in the single day. This is the 1 minute time frame, and here when you see the price touched the resistance zone and price was moving up, and we got the green candle, big green candle. After that we got the red candle, means sign of bearishness. And you have to look at the RSI. So I will draw the line here. Price touched the resistance zone. RSI also reached at 70. That is RSI above 70 here. So we can enter into the short trade below this red candle. So the price is at 17,862, and we got the target also. Market gave down move till the low of this candle is 17,816. We got 30 plus point in this trade. So as a scalping, our aim should not be like 20 plus points. We have to exit with 4 to 5 plus points in this scalping trade. When not to trade, that also I will explain here. Here after this level, price moved up and again touched the resistance zone, and price keep on falling. And when you look here, the RSI is at 58 or 50 plus here. So in this types of case, you should avoid taking the trade. Okay, so price came down till this zone, and after that when you see the RSI also at 30 level. So price is at support zone. So one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Above this green candle we can enter into the long trade and book quick profits and exit the trade. So always try to enter at RSI at 70 or above 70 levels, and RSI below 30 or at 30 levels for long trades. If you are doing like this, you will never miss the trade and you can book good profits and you can exit the trade. If you enter like this trades, like price is falling down and RSI is at 50 and RSI is at 60, like that means chances are more for to hit the stop loss. Again, if you see here, price moved from here, like the level is like 17,800 to 17,862, and as the price reached the resistance zone, when you see the RSI also touched the 70. So below this candle, one can enter into the short trade. But the stop loss didn't hit. Stop loss is the high of the red candle. Here. High of the red candle is a stop loss. So here also you can book good profits in Nifty. Okay, one example in BankNifty. This is BankNifty 1 minute time frame chart. At the resistance zone, this is the major resistance zone in BankNifty. At the resistance zone, we got the red candle and price was in uptrend, means price is moving up. So we have to look that point clearly. After this red candle, below this red candle, one can enter into the short trade. Here below this we can enter into the short trade. Enter into the trade and book your profits quick. So as I told you, you should not enter here in this zone. Why? Because the RSI already came below 70 and RSI is now at 60 plus levels, 39, 40 plus zone, 40 plus levels. So don't try to enter in these types of zones. So you have to wait for the price to reach the support and the resistance zone and also the RSI at 70 and 30. So here when you see the price is at the support zone and RSI is at 30. So one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Alright. So we got nice up move in this trade also. So here when you see price was moving down and here we got the green candle and RSI also below 30 and RSI is going above 30 here. So you can ask me why cannot we enter here? Yes, you can enter into the trade here also. The high of this green candle is 41,497 and high of this red candle is 41,522. We got like 15 plus point in this trade, almost 20 points in this trade. So scalping is like 6 to 7 points in BankNifty you can book, Nifty 4 to 5 points. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.